Hi, in this video we will see how to create a stream or a set of streams or general payments through Sablier by using a CSV file as opposed to entering the data manually. So when you click here on create stream, you can as usual select a stream shape. In this example I will use linear stream, and as usual, generally speaking, what we would do is fill the information manually. And in this video, we aren't really interested in that. In this video, we are interested in uploading a CSV file with all the data. The reason why you would want to do so is if you have, for example, 100, 200, 1,000 recipients, it's going to be quite time consuming to enter all of that data manually inside our interface. And so the easiest way of doing things in that case is to simply upload a CSV file with all of that information. And a way to do so is by clicking here. So we click on this button here, Mode Manual or Generate from a CSV, and you will be brought to this new page where you are able to upload from a CSV file. So we can close the previous tab. And as you can see, if you have the CSV file ready, you can directly click here on Import File. Now, in this video, we will start from the templates, simply because that's probably the best way of doing things, as having the template provides you the actual definition of how the file should be formatted. But before doing that, before downloading the templates, there's something which is really important to notice, which is the timing. So depending on the timing you select here, whether duration or range, your template will change too. In this video, we will use duration for the stream creation, but know that you can also select range. The difference here is very simple. Duration is starting the time when the transaction is mined. So if you create a stream now, and the block is mined now, let's say, the stream will start now, and will, for example, if the stream lasts 2 years, it will stop 2 years from now. However, what if you want to create a stream that starts in 2 months from now, for example? Well, the way to do so is by using range. And so if you use range, you can specify a start date in the future, as well as an end date in the future as well, obviously. So in this video, we'll use duration. Just be aware that the template will change a bit in the formatting too, but the general ID and the general formatting remains the same. So it shouldn't be too hard to modify that. Okay, let's get started. So to download the templates, you can either click here or here. It's as you want. So we will I've actually already downloaded it. So let's open this. And there we go. Okay, perfect. So we have our template here. And our template is actually quite simple. All we have is one column which represents the addresses, another which represents the amounts, and another which represents the duration. And as you can see, the duration is actually very simple to write. We're simply using plain words. So you just write 2 years, 20 days, 8 hours. It works. So we can actually directly get started editing it. I will do so in text edits, simply because in my experience that's proven to be far more reliable than numbers when it comes to CSV file, as numbers does some weird editing on macOS. So here's my file. Okay. I'm going to keep the first and second addresses just because I want to. And we are going to, for example, I want to stream, let's say, 445 DAI, and I want to do so on a 3-year and 11-day period. And afterwards, I want to create another stream that is to another wallet of 314 DAI, lasting 69 and 69 days, that is, and 2 hours, for example. Okay. So now that we have done so, we can simply save the file, import file here, and I'm assuming that's the right one. Hopefully it is, and we're good to go. Oh, I haven't selected a token. Oh yes, perfect, sorry. Yeah, so if you don't select a token, there will be a problem. So that's why the interface actually highlighted it. So make sure to select the token first and then upload the file. Okay. So as you can see, it's very quick. Once you upload the file, it digests the information in a very quick way. And afterwards, as you can see here, we can select the cancelability of the stream, meaning if you leave it as cancelable, the stream is cancelable after it's created, so you can stop it at any time and get the funds back which haven't been paid out yet to the recipients. And if you leave transferability on, it means that the recipients can transfer the stream, so the NFT, to someone else. As you may know, every stream is represented by an NFT owned by the recipient, and that NFT is transferable, assuming you leave it as transferable here. If you don't want that, you can turn it off here. Okay, perfect. So there's not much else to do here. All we have to do now is approve our DAI. So we can approve the spending of our DAI here. I will select max, approve. We are granting our allowance, and in a few seconds, we should be able to create our streams. Hit confirm. And in a few seconds, our streams should be ready. And you will be able to see that immediately they will be running and the money will be flowing. Here we go. So we can click on view streams. And as you can see, when you create a set of group streams and you click on view streams at the end, what we do is that we provide a specific search with the stream IDs that were with the IDs of the streams that were just created. So you have here your specific list of streams that you just created. And so, for example, we can click on the first one, and as you can see, this one is lasting, I think, 1 year, and the other is lasting 3 years, just as we set. Yeah, it's running, it's working. That's how simple it is. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, let us know if you need any help. See you. Bye.